A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography. In the other definition, cryptocurrency, it is a digital form of money that is a more secure medium of exchange. The reason why people are attracted to cryptocurrency is the value. Investing in cryptocurrency is like investing in the stock market. Remember when Bitcoin was launched in 2017, its value was few $100. See now in 2021 Bitcoin hit its all-time high price at $62,000. And you can convert your Bitcoins into cash. There are different ways to convert them into real money. You can either use ATMs, debit cards for this purpose, or sell Bitcoin for cash. Why you should care about cryptocurrency? I think the big idea is that because transactions are public, irreversible, mostly unhackable and controlled by the people users and digital finance, so it is more protected. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any comment below in the